The morning birds come out every morning. The morning birds. The code? Here, guys. Look at the birds.
Can I go near it? Like,
There's more birds right there. Look at that. Look at the birds. Hey. They're eating bread.
Can I, ow. Can I, like, touch you, please?
Yes.
Oh no, you open your mouth. No, get away. Make that noise again.
Yep. Goodbye, birds. Okay. Guess they're leaving because we don't have any bread left. Bye. Bye, car. Bye, bird. Bye, Meester. Hi.
You scare me. He comes really close. Look at his mouth.
What are you talking about?
Ew. I love how the car just like stopped.
I know.
I was like, hey, don't mind me. I just
Bye.
I want to run and chase this, but I'm scared they're gonna bite me.
Bye.
Bye, friends.
Or not.
Go. No, there's no bread. Go. No. There's no bread. Go that way.
What?
Go.
What?
Follow your friends.
What?
I will run and chase you.
What do you mean? No bread. What? What? Bread? What? Oh. Oh. What? I see. What?
Yeah.
What? But I want bread.
Watch out. There's no more bread. I want to touch you. Can I touch you? Please? I gave you food, so you can't bite me. He's like, what are you doing?
Wait.
I use a brush.
Don't you dare. What are you... Yeah?
I
Uh-huh.
wonder if they'll bite. Hey guys. How you doing? Yeah? Cool. You were really tall. I didn't know they were that tall. I thought they were like up to here.
Bye.
I'll walk.
Making my way downtown.
Hey guys.
Yeah.
Yeah? I need my phone for 1 second.